Hello folks, and welcome to another Kent Models video. Today we are introducing you to a couple of Mr. Hobby products which will make your model building much easier. The first off is Mr. Paintstation, which is a packet of these four. You buy them in a packet of four, and they're essentially cardboard squares, as you can see. I'm just going to move the main packet out of the way. So you'd use these for preparing and painting any small parts, or indeed any large parts if you put more than one of them together. Now these work very well in conjunction with Mr. Hobby's double-ended clips. Now, as you can see, these clips are wooden, and on each end they've got crocodile clips. Very simple, but these are a game changer. So what I've done is I've got some bits and pieces together just to show you some potential uses for these. So for example, if I wanted to paint the parts on this sprue, instead of me holding them and painting them, what I could do instead is I could use my Paintstation, clip it onto the base, clip it onto there. Now I've taken these double-ended clips. You don't have to use them that way, so if you wanted something shorter, we just break them in half, as I do now. I just poke them into the paint station, and there you go. I've attached this ready for painting. Now, of course, what I could do is I could put it into my spray booth, or I could put it onto my sheet where I'm going to do my painting. And now it's effectively like a third hand. I don't need to hold it whilst painting it. Now the other thing as well that these are obviously quite useful for is, as well as holding things from the Paintstation, you can actually use them to hold things yourself. So if I was to take that one away, I can use it at a distance to be able to now paint things. Now these are very simple, and they're completely inexpensive, but they are a game changer to your building. So let's move it up a notch. Let's say, for example, I want to work on a chassis of a car. Here's one I made earlier. So if I wanted to work on the top of this chassis, what I could do is I could attach my clips to the base somewhere where I'm happy to clip them on, and I can put them onto the Paintstation rig. As such, it now holds it nice and steady for me. Ta-da! So now it's attached with the clips. Now if I wanted to, I can get underneath, I can do what I want to do on top. Obviously it's nice and firm. The pack of these double-ended clips, this is how many you get in a pack. There's loads. So because they're wooden, and of course the clips themselves are metal, you can get overspray on these. There's no problem at all with these, and they're going to last you forever. So just one pack of these should be suitable for a lifetime's use. When it comes to the Paintstation, you've got, as I said earlier, you get 4 in a complete pack. Now if you wanted to, if you had something a bit larger, maybe you've got a ship or a tank or something like that, clearly you can put these together and you can actually just make a larger base. So for example, we can put them together like that. Maybe we'd use some masking tape to be able to tape them together to create a larger base. Maybe we could take them and do something like this. So we could have the shorter sticks holding something up, and then these ones coming out on top to steady it. Whatever we want. Obviously these are completely sacrificial, they're only cardboard, and again these are going to last you ages, because with the amount of paint they're going to absorb, effectively you're probably only ever going to buy one set of those. So the idea is that, of course, when you're spraying, all of the spray paint is going into there, so you're avoiding all the areas, but of course you're using the clips in order to use it as a base and steady your model. And that is as simple and as difficult as it gets in one fell swoop. You'll find both of these products, so the double-ended clips and the Paintstation. They're both made by Mr. Hobby. You'll find them in our tools section on our website, and I would encourage you to get some and make your model making life much, much easier. Thank you for watching.